Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 20 is almost that time, guys. Thank you so much for joining me all this way for Cookmas, where I give you guys daily videos for the holiday season throughout the month of December. For today's recipe, we're going to make a wonderful side dish that will pair well with anything. We're going to go ahead and make some wonderful roasted vegetables. So I did make these roasted vegetables and use them in one of my latest videos, the spicy ranch chicken thighs. If you guys haven't seen that, go check it out. But this paired perfectly with the protein that I used and will go well with any kind of protein that you guys want. Or if you just want to eat them by themselves, they're delicious as well. So hopefully you guys are ready for this wonderful recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. So let's go ahead and get started.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can.
Okay guys, so here we have it, the beautiful roasted veggies. Again, we've got carrots, cherry tomatoes, red onions, broccoli, cauliflower. But use whatever vegetables you may have on hand. Just go ahead and use that same method to roast them and they should turn out perfect. You can pair them with anything. In this case, as you can see, I just went ahead and paired them with that spicy ranch chicken that I had, but it'll go good with everything, guys. Trust me, you'll want to give these veggies a try. Hopefully you did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you love to eat your veggies. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Love, love the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of